Drop a cinnamon stick into vinegar like this. Once you see what this becomes, and what it does to every room you spray it in. If you want your entire house to smell like an absolute dream, and have every single guest stop at the door to ask what your secret is, you need to try this. Drop a cinnamon stick into water like this, and wait until you see what it transforms into. This trick has been a staple for generations, and once you make it for the first time, I promise you will be making it every single week without exception. Let's begin. Take 2 cinnamon sticks and place them right into a small pot. Add 1 cup of water and set your stove heat to medium. As the water begins warming up around the cinnamon, the aroma that rises from the pot is immediate. It's warm, deep, and deeply therapeutic. Allow the mixture to simmer until it reaches a gentle boil. Once it hits that point, turn off the heat completely and let it sit to cool down for several minutes. Once cooled down, place a fine mesh strainer over a clean glass jar or container. Pour your warm, fragrant cinnamon-infused water right through the strainer, carefully removing the cinnamon sticks completely. What remains in your container is a rich, warm, fragrant cinnamon infusion that forms the absolute foundation of everything this spray is going to do. Now it is time to add our power ingredients. First, add 1 capful of fabric softener directly into your warm cinnamon water. Choose a concentrated formula and a scent that you genuinely love, something cozy that will make your space feel instantly inviting. Next, pour in 150 milliliters of white vinegar. Now this is the ingredient most people hesitate at, but it is also the single most important functional ingredient in the entire formula, because it neutralizes stubborn odors at their molecular source, rather than just masking them. Now add 2 full tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Choose a scent that complements the cinnamon. Lavender blends exceptionally well, but any good variety works here. The soap ensures that the spray actually clings and cleans surfaces, rather than just misting and evaporating away into thin air. Take a spoon or a whisk and stir everything together slowly until the mixture is completely smooth, uniform, and thoroughly combined throughout the container. Finally, transfer your entire mixture into a clean spray bottle using a funnel. Seal it tightly and shake it firmly from top to bottom until every single drop is fully distributed. And now for the big reveal. What you have in that bottle is a homemade, multi-purpose home fragrance spray, fabric freshener, and surface cleaner all rolled into one powerful formula. The natural cinnamon infusion fills every space it enters with warmth. The vinegar knocks out lingering smells instantly. The fabric softener delivers a lasting fragrance that stays embedded in fabrics, and the dish soap helps it tackle light grime. Go ahead and spray it generously in your living room, bathroom, bedroom, and closets. Use it on your mattresses right before bed, on your curtains whenever they feel a bit stale, and on carpets after pets to instantly refresh the whole room. It cleans, it freshens, and it leaves behind something no synthetic store-bought aerosol ever could. The genuine, cozy warmth of real cinnamon, releasing naturally onto every single surface it touches. Try this today, and let me know how much you love it.